swag, run up. Still in colors, but she try kick it with 10 up. She said she
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy srtlen, and I'm back with another video. We still in Atlanta. Yeah, y'all seen the last 2 parts of Atlanta. This shit finna be lit. So what I got coming up for y'all today is we at the pop-up shop right now, the Duke Denny's pop-up shop. He already here, and I'm finna fuck this Waffle House plate out real quick. We got Zach in the cut. Boy got that shit on. We go. Sounds like, you know.
I think I'm Jenny down the block, selling listen to results and pushing beans. That's only but that's in my crib with the games. How long can this record spin?
What you doing out here? I've been doing car shopping. I got a haircut. I'm like the only one who's a haircut. You got a haircut in Switzerland. That's hard. That's hard. You gotta check the page out. Nah, haircut in Switzerland is different. I'm like one of the only ones.
Don't, where you going? Nah, don't leave. I can spend some money. Don't leave.
Appreciate it. Let me see something there. How much shots you get? You get 1 shot? I got 2 more shots. Yeah. Cool. Let me see that. Oh yeah, that's green. Now. Hold on. The last one, green. Last one, green? Yeah. Shit better be green, huh? Nah. Bro, you are like probably the richest person I know. Oh God. How much did you spend today, bro?
Tap in, man.
Yeah. What's your shit? Shout your shit out too.
Hey man, Trackhawk 1. Trackhawk with a Q at the end, not a K. 1. Y'all go tap in. Car vlogs, music, everything is up. Y'all go tap in.
Y'all heard the man. Y'all heard the man. Huh?
So you literally probably like the only one with a Hellcat out there.
I got a little group. Like me and my partners, we got haircuts. But it's like extra expensive. Y'all go ahead and subscribe.
So like what all you gotta do to have that out there?
Gotta have money.
Damn.
It's like you gotta pay like to fill up a cat. Yeah, that shit crazy.
That shit is crazy, man. Fuck, yeah, they told us we gotta move, man. You was trying to figure out
Alright YouTube, I'm finna just show y'all what we got. We got a little this is what I got. Shirt, and then he got this
No, the jacket.
You got it for your friend, ain't it?
For sure, jacket.
The red one. That's how you know he a red one.
You got this shit for you.
I get y'all yet?
I
Get y'all yet? Let me get y'all.
Alright, bet.
For sure.
Get y'all right real quick. Yeah,
What you got on though?
So this is my uncle. This is my uncle brand right here. Say Industry. You know what I'm saying? On both. This is a 101 by the way. 101.
Okay. Cool.
Got the black Timbs on. You know what I'm saying? It's my uncle. It's my uncle brand. It's Say Industries, Breach Studios. Tap in. We from Detroit. You know what I'm saying? We came all the way out here just for this.
Okay,
so,
cool.
Yeah, right now we just represent.
That's hard. Got that shit on.
Hell yeah.
And I ain't gonna lie, YouTube. When I see the cat and the Trackhawk, it make me a little mad because I'm trying to ship my shit out. Like, I wish I had my cat out here. Like, look at this. I'm finna give y'all a little rundown on the lineup. So y'all seen the F8 Hellcat, right? Then we go lime green, orange Trackhawk. Wait, that's an M6? That's an X6? Yeah, that's regular traffic in Switzerland, so we gonna focus on this. We go orange Trackhawk. We go KB in the redeye, slim body redeye. Y'all ain't know they make slim body redeye. They do. Y'all see that? Say redeye. We got SRT ski, Hellcat wide body. Look at the details though. SRT got ski. That shit hard. Not the regular one. Hell yeah.
We ain't gonna ship yours like her.
Bro, it's about that time, bro.
Damn, they got this one to hit it.
So what?
I got a pink one of these. I didn't know they had a white one.
They had white ones, black ones.
I got the
and
pink
yellow
version.
ones.
Of that. How much that cost? 80 or 40?
Nah, that wasn't
30. Hey, I paid 50 for mine.
All right, bro. Damn, bro.
I think mine was free.
Free? Why it's free?
Huh?
Why it's free?
They heard your accent. Was like, oh, yeah.
All right, bro.
Some money.
They got money. All right, bro. Nah, it's about that time. It's about that time to ship my shit out. I ain't gonna count, bro. Like when I see this shit, bro, I get mad, bro.
How much thing gonna be to ship it like?
I googled it. It was like 5,000
Forever or for when you come out here?
when I come out here, just for one shipment. But now it's gonna be like just one ship, like you know. If I want to ship it back, it's gonna be like another 5,000. But I think if I could, why?
Nigga, 10,000?
Yeah, I'm not gonna ship it out for like just 2 weeks.
Back and forth, right? 10,000, right? He said 5,000 there, 5,000 back. He was like,
But I think it's cheaper in Germany.
I must say it's like 1,000 his shit back from Cali.
Yeah, but
He out of heat. I'm saying like you think it's gonna be just like in state is 1,000. You know it's gonna be hella for like down.
yeah,
they just said 5,000.
they gonna put this shit on a boat. Like it's gonna be on a boat and they ship it
the
over.
Africans gonna steal that.
All right, bro. That's a red eye? Okay, cool. They're not the regular one. Wide body red eye, slim body red eye, back to back. Track Hawk. Hey man, ATM business. Y'all tap in. Brembo we trust. And Brembo we do we trust though. Hey dude, fuck you, dude. Fucking loser, bitch. What you got to say to the vlog?
Chill.
Shut the fuck up, bro. Oh yeah, nah, that shit is overly trim. We go leg maker. Is it red eye? That's not the regular one. Red eye. What is it?
SXT.
Okay, is it SXT? Don't touch it.
Yeah, I got it from my dude from Switzerland. And
That's your car?
Yeah.
How much you pay for it? How much you pay insurance?
Probably like 67 bucks.
You think Duke Danny's still gonna pull up?
He just told me he on the way.
Bro, you fuck ass bitch, bro. You fucking loser, bro. What we doing?
I'm shooting the guy named Girl You Got Best Off Car, you feel me? The cameraman, he probably gonna lose. Damn. I don't know, we finna see though.
I'm claiming a G90. I'm finna show y'all every single car. Zach, come here. We gonna run my people down and we gonna show them the cars we got out here.
Yeah.
So he don't know nothing about cars. So tell him what's up. What is this, bro?
So that's a white car. Oh, that's a Mustang.
Yeah.
This shit probably trash, so let's go to the next one.
You say trash?
Yeah, that's trash.
All right. So what is this? What is this?
Bro, I don't know, cause it said 392, but at the same time it said SRT, so I don't know. Nah, for real, what is it?
That's a scat.
Oh, he just like put a SRT for no reason.
Hey, y'all let me know. Is a scat peg an SRT or not? I say it is, because everything over 6 liters is a SRT in my eyes. What you think, bro? What you think?
I don't know, man. I just know that this shit's great.
All right.
Go to the next
so,
one.
what we got right here, twin?
We got a Hellcat. We got a Challenger.
Hold on, though. What kind of Hellcat, though? What is it? Oh, you can't cheat now.
That's a red eye. You know.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna write that red eye.
I was out of here.
So what we got right here?
It's still not an SRT though.
It's not?
Nah.
Oh, you hating, bro. You hating.
Nah. That's a scat pack.
Yeah.
That's a scat.
Okay. What is it? Ooh, it say, I know that big gold. What is
you got it? You got it. What is this?
It's a Mustang Coyote.
Oh, that's a Mustang?
That's a 5.0, yeah.
Appreciate.
Yeah. All right.
Go to the next one.
So this one is hard as fuck. No, fuck all that, bro.
Fuck all
right.
that.
What is this?
That's a red eye. You know why?
Why?
Because this your red eye.
You hear me?
That's a red eye.
What is this?
That's an M3 competition.
Is it really M3?
Yeah.
It is. Yeah.
We didn't go to Atlanta to see M3. Like
We see that shit every single day, but it's hard
I don't
though.
really care about.
Ooh, we got some more shit pulling.
We got Ralph's car right here.
That's me. That's me.
That's a Hellcat.
Okay. What we got right here?
Fucking bullshit. Now we're talking.
Now we talking. What we saying? What is this?
That's a SRT. But red eye though. Feel me?
Is it a red eye though? It's probably a regular Hellcat. I ain't gonna count. What we got right here?
That's a Mustang.
Yup.
Green one.
Yep.
Don't got nothing to say really.
What is that?
The brand new M5, bro. Look at it. Brand new M5. As y'all guys see. Y'all see the little Swiss flag right here?
Yeah. What we got right here? You like this? I know you like this.
So it's not a red eye, but the collar and shit is just like fabulous, bro. Just look
It's
at
fabulous.
it. Yeah, you know, you got the little bumper that's like the little pink, but that's perfect. That's
Okay, cool.
That's the real deal too.
That's the real deal. He got the cut out
Hellcat
hood.
again. Hellcat.
Hellcat Kenny.
Oh, that's your. Oh, shit, that's hard.
That's
Bro,
hard.
you got to do that. Can you do that in Switzerland?
Probably not.
Nah.
Probably not. I ain't gonna count. Do y'all think? I mean, I'm just doing shit. So if this video gets 1,000 likes,
40 million likes.
40 million likes, I'm gonna do it. 40 million likes.
They said I'm a flightless, I done missed my court date. Spent like 2 months with friends, and it feel like this my birthplace.
So it's the opposite way now. It's Tay and Tez choosing the girl based on their car. So it's the opposite way right now. SRT robbing the X1 BMW fucking you. Hold on, this a motherfucking new boy that I'm sucking on. And I've been making money for you wrote a song.
Nigga, I've been making millions from across the phone. Post about it, bitch, I got like 30 million in my mind, go. And I'm gonna be rich inside my casket once my time go. I'm barking whiskey, turned up with some groupies right at my home. Why you drop that working song? Pussy bitch, you should've known. My daddy said me leave alone, but I'm like, man, fuck the niggas. 1, 4 p.m., 4, both 5.
Bro, just get her flowers, bro. That's it.
What about that? You know.
That's what a good pussy make the motherfucker do. What you getting for her? What you doing? You about to blow balloons in the room and shit? Oh shit, look at this. Get this. This set. Boom, fire. When I went in Gwinnett County, Georgia jail, boom, fire, this shit. Fucked up.
Fuck that hoe for me, 5. Fuck that hoe for me, 5. Fuck that hoe for me, 5.
For the foreplay, you can use this. She can sit on it.
No.
You probably gonna have to get a little like a flower set, you know what I'm saying? Just to make it, let's spice it up a little bit.
I know she be on that corny shit a little bit. Not me though, but shit.
Bro, you buying balloon hearts in red and pink, and you talking about you're not on the corny
Bro, you
shit.
can tell I'm just not corny. I do some corny shit right now, but I'm not.
Yeah, that's true,
Like,
that's
you
true,
just
that's true. But at the
Like,
same
I'm not even used to like
bruh.
what's missing.
Just some flowers, bro. I ain't gonna count. We can make it like a group balloon, so you use them first and I use them.
Side.
Simple, and everybody knew that shit get hard. I probably deserve to be the richest. I waited longer than everybody. I probably told that hoe I miss her. She